Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to resize base picture in Photopea software. So let's started. At first open your Photopea software. Now you can see then we show the new interface in the home page in Photopea software. Now select from new project option. Now click. Now select from any project. Now click from create option. Now you can see then we show new interface. Now we go into the file menu option, then click. Now click from open and replace option. Now we find your best picture. Now select from picture the base. Now click for open. Now you can see and move the picture. In the side by side. Then we show. Now select from all layer. Now select from first layer and Control Shift press and click from last layer option. Now keyboard press from Control T. Now resize your picture. That it's. Now keyboard press for enter. Now you can see resize best picture in Photopea software is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.